we have to first call attention to all of those KISS fans out there. This is the 50th anniversary KISS coin. It is a 1 ounce silver uncirculated coin in color, and of course very appropriate for the band KISS. Of course, they're very well known for their face paint, their awesome outfits. There you can see it struck for the country of Niue. We can see the original band members of KISS on the obverse of the coin. We also have another coin that was produced for the 50th anniversary. It is the KISS Premium Bullion coin. Now, unlike the color coin that has a mintage of 2,500 pieces, this bullion piece has a mintage of 25,000 pieces. You can check them out on our website, www.emk.com.